You can now create any image you could ever dream of with zero design skills better than ever before using ChatGPT's Image 2.0 tool. Let's jump in. All you have to do is have a GPT subscription, come in here and open a new chat and click Create Image, and it will default to the new 2.0 tool. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you as an example is actually creating a thumbnail for this very video. So you've already seen this image. Now, what I'm going to do is grab a few images of myself and tell it something like this. I'm creating a YouTube video about your new Image 2.0 tool and how it is the absolute best image creator on the market, dominating every other tool out there. I want you to take these reference images of me, create a one-for-one clone on a high CTR YouTube thumbnail. I do not want you to use these exact expressions. These are purely for reference. Additionally, I want you to put me in a black shirt. We're going to go ahead and run this prompt, see what it comes back with, and then we're going to try some other fun use cases. I mean, come on, look at this. I cannot deny this is incredible. I have been for the past month testing thumbnail tool after thumbnail tool, never getting results I wanted that actually looked like me. And as someone who knows what I look like, this looks like me. This is unbelievable. Now let's try some additional use cases for this. Amazing. I would like you to take those same reference images and create meta ad image creative options for me. Let's start with 3 different options. To promote my free funnel analyzer tool, I'm attaching a screenshot for reference as well as my logo and brand colors. Don't feel like you have to use my logo or this screenshot. These are purely for reference. I'll leave it up to your discretion to create the best possible high CTR scroll stopping creatives. Now, as you can see here, I've included the color codes, I've included my logo and a screenshot of this actual tool, and let's see what it comes back with. Now, while this image is being creative, one cheat code here is if you have a brand guide, go ahead and upload that brand guide for whatever brand you're creating assets for, and then it will pull in everything and be completely on brand. All right, and here we have 3 different creative options, and these look great. Couple things like here in the logo that I would go ahead and change, but if I was to create something in Canva, I couldn't create something that looks this good. If I was to hire somebody, that would be money out of my pocket. Absolutely incredible. Now, let's try a fun one here. And for this one, I'm gonna get real niche and really test this out. I'm a huge fantasy nerd. Skyrim was one of my favorite video games, still is. So I'm gonna say create me in the style of Elder Scrolls V Skyrim during the iconic opening wagon ride scene at the start of the game. Now, if you're a video game nerd, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Or maybe you're like, what the heck is he talking about? Point being, this is a super specific prompt, and we're gonna see how good the output is because the things we've been doing up to this point are fairly general. Man, this is it for me, dude. This is absolutely insane. If you played Skyrim, you know how this is literally like a one-for-one clone of the iconic scene at the beginning of the game with my face. This is absolutely insane. My gosh, I'm honestly a bit speechless by this last one, but you get the idea. You need to be creating leverage for your business, your personal brand, whatever it is. It is time to dive in to the world of AI. Start leveraging these incredible tools. There's never been a time with more opportunity. Go ahead right now and start playing around with Image 2.0 and start thinking about real world applications for your business. And if you don't know what those could be, go ahead and ask Claude or GPT or your LLM of choice. Based on your goals, how should you be using this to build leverage in your business? This is incredible. I'm going to be spending the next hour or so playing around with this. Too much fun, incredible outputs. I'm very impressed here. GPT is like that toxic relationship in your life. Just when you're ready to leave, it does something that pulls you right back in. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a like. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Peace.